Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Install Python and pip, open a project folder, and create a Discord application now. Once done, add a bot user and enable the presence intent in the developer portal because Discord blocks status updates without it. Make sure you invite the bot to your server with the bot scope and presence-related permissions. Then install Discord. Py with pip so you can write code. This gets you to the first actionable step of changing presence programmatically. You write the core, create a simple bot script that logs in with the token from an environment variable, then start a tasks. Loop that runs every defined interval. Inside the loop, call await bot. Change presence, activity equals Discord. Game, your status here, or set different activity types. This is how Discord displays status. Make sure to handle rate limits by spacing updates and catching HTTP exceptions, and use time zone-aware scheduling if you switch statuses at specific local times. You finalize by deploying the bot to a persistent host and configuring an auto-restart mechanism so status changes continue 24/7. Once deployed, monitor logs and watch gateway or HTTP errors. Restart the service if you push new code. Make sure environment variables are set on the host and that the bot has permission in the target server. If things go wrong, check the developer portal and server permissions immediately. Most failures come from missing presence intent, an invalid token, or hitting Discord rate limits. Fix that first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.